All right. Hey, YouTube. So I've got a slow drain on my car, zero point 0.4 amps, and I don't want to search and find the leak right now. I already tested all the fuses. I couldn't find anything. So I got this on YouTube, which is a quick disconnect, so I don't have to unscrew it and screw it back on every time. So let's try this out, put it on, see how it works. And this was $8. I don't know the name brand of it. It's called a quick disconnect tool, I think. Let's try putting this bad boy on here. Maybe I'll put this on first. I don't know. Hopefully we'll have enough room. We will see. So this is going to be sideways, I think. It's going to go like that. I think I'm going to have to put this on first. So first of all, this thing's really cramped to begin with. So I'm going to go ahead and try to put this on first and see how that works. And it may end up being easier just to do it on and off if I'm hitting up against a bunch of stuff. We'll see. Damn, that's really tight already. So yeah, I guess that's how it's supposed to be. Then this goes right here. Hopefully we'll have enough room around that air box. I don't know, maybe not. Shit. Yeah, so we'll see. Then when I move it back, let's see how it works. 1, 2. I think that's tight already. Now tightening that, it's going to be a little bit of an SOB. Well, not really. It doesn't appear that it's hitting anything. I just didn't want to get out there with my tools. That would have looked kind of ghetto. But that's not very tight yet. This is not good. I need to tighten it more. How tight is that? Is this tight? No, that's still not tight. Should be tight. Yeah, that's tight. Now, is that tight? That's how that connected. This is off. Good. This is not tight enough yet. Let's take the box in. We'll just use this in. May end up not having enough adequate room. We'll see. And it moves the whole damn thing when I do that. Actually, so maybe it is tight. Maybe I'm just moving. Oh yeah, I'm moving the whole thing. So to enable it, tighten it up right here. I don't know how tight you have to make it. Let's see. Let's see what we got there. And I don't like the fact that it's touching the air box right there. Let's see what we got. Damn, I don't have the keys.